All right. This will be my first video to do where I haven't practiced the problem first. I'm officially winging it. Let's go. So to block on a ramp, it starts from rest, then the bottom, it's like going fast. How much work did friction do? So work is a change in energy, which means it's final energy minus initial energy. We have positive amounts of energy here, less energy here. So unless work is done, energy has to be conserved, but since work was done, energy wasn't conserved. We have less energy than before because friction slowed us down. So a negative answer has got to be our bet. So it can't be any of these. Okay. So let's see. What kind of energy do we have at the end here? So energy at B minus energy at A. At B, we've got just kinetic. At A, we've got just potential. At A, gravitational. Nope, kinetic at B. Just gravitational at A. Okay, you can have more than one kind of energy at any moment, but we're going to call this the ground and say that no, we didn't. Okay, so let's see how much energy we have here. That's all gravitational. That's mgh. The mass is 2. Gravity is 9.8. The height is 4. So 4 times 9.8 times 2. 78.4 energies. That's a joule. And then down here we've got all kinetic. So that's 1/2 mv squared. The mass is 2. The velocity is 7. Be sure you square it. So 7 times 7 times 2 times 0.5. Oh, the 2 and 0.5 cancel out. This is just 49. So 49 joules. So if we started, I don't know if you'll do energy bar charts. We do it in my class. So at A, we've got no kinetic, all gravitational potential. Woohoo! And then at B, we've got all kinetic and no gravitational potential. So our total energy went down by this much because work was done. So that's how much work was done and lost to like outside the system. So it's probably like thermal energy, the friction, like it heated it up. So that's a little visual for me to say, you need to subtract these numbers, okay? So 78.4 joules minus 49 joules, I don't know, 29.4 joules. And don't pick the positive one because this slowed us down. So that's the answer. I think it's B. Let me double check. That one, is it B? It is. We did it. Awesome.